try this side. Okay, yum. Hello guys, hello everyone, happy Sunday. It's Sunday here in Ireland. It's sunny, the weather is so beautiful. Some people will be at home now because of the situation that is going on around the world. May God help us. Guys, hello, I have a trend coffee for you guys as we are home, you know, so something to keep us busy and to enjoy this weather. Some people will be familiar with the coffee that I would like to show you. It's very lovely. I made this coffee yesterday afternoon with ice cube. It's very lovely, guys. That is what is trend now on YouTube. Dalgona Coffee. Some people call it on internet. It's called Dalgona Coffee. So that is what is trend. I just said let me share it with you guys. Some people they are self-isolate and we are be one of the things that can keep us busy to refresh our minds. Okay, guys. It's just only 2 to 3 ingredients that we're going to be using. You make it within 4 minutes, okay? So I'm going to be showing you 2 different ways to make it. I have electric and I have a manual. So you can now go ahead and show what is convenient with you. Pardon my accent, okay? Use cold milk with ice cube. That is what I did yesterday. I used cold milk with ice cube. It's like I'm drinking Baileys. Actually, I put 1 teaspoon of Baileys. I love it. So guys, so I will bring you, I'm in the kitchen now, so we should dive to the Dalgona coffee. So guys, we are going to make our Dalgona coffee. So the first ingredient, we need a clean bowl, small bowl that you are very comfortable with, and then we need coffee. Guys, please, you can get any brand coffee you want. Okay, my space here is very small, guys, so you can get any brand coffee. Okay, and we need sugar. I like brown sugar. You can get white sugar. And we're gonna need fresh milk. You can get low milk or you can get warm milk. This is Irish milk. You can get any brand you want. That's all the 3 ingredients we need. For the equipment, what we're going to use for this is either we go manual or we go electric. So I might be using this with this, or you can use only this if your hand is not going to be too tired. So for me, I'm going to use the electric one. So guys, we need, excuse me, so for our sweet coffee, I'm going to need we need 2 tablespoons of coffee to make it more thicker. So the second ingredient, we're going to be using sugar. I'm not a sugar person. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. On a normal day, guys, I don't use sugar, but for this you need sugar. So I will just say 1 teaspoon of sugar. I saw some YouTuber like 4 to 2 sugar, 2-3 types of sugar. But okay guys, that is all we need. And of course we're gonna add water. So 1, 2, okay, 2 teaspoons of water. So guys, I'm going to start with this, but my hand, so you keep stirring it until you get the foam. I make a transfer because the other plate was really messed everywhere. So you need a deep bowl. this is what I use. I don't know why I use that. So I transfer it here. I actually do it with electric. So guys, that is it. I did a transfer. The other bowl was messy. If I could show you, you can see. So I have to eventually transfer it to this. So you need a deep bowl if you don't want your kitchen to be stained or your mat. Or you can as well do it practical or manually or automatic. You can do it automatic or manually. So I choose this automatic. I use the electric. So guys, that is our sweet coffee. I'm going to be dropping this. I finished all the ice cube yesterday when I make my home. So that is so. I need to make another ice cube. It's gone. So the next step is to drop your milk. It could be any brand. I use Irish brand. So guys, that's how you make your Dalgona coffee. And you want to add this into it. Yum! This is so lovely, guys. So guys, sorry guys, that is Mark. So lovely. The neighbor dog. So, and I hope you guys, you're gonna enjoy this. So join me guys. This is so beautiful, guys. As you can see, this is how you make it. So we have to drink it together. Okay. Guys, this is too good. It's too refreshing. This is too good, guys. It's really refreshing. I like it, and let me know guys what you think. If you like it, maybe your weather in the continent you are living is so hot and you see this video and you make it. Let me know your thoughts about this, guys, and tell me, do you like the taste? Say things that you'll be looking forward to do regularly, or how often do you want to be making this, like me now, because we're going to be going out. For me now, it's going to be among of my refreshment at the minute, because it's coffee and it's mixed so with the ice cube. So I think for moments I'm enjoying it. Guys, enjoy yourself. Don't panic. Make yourself happy. Watch things that will make you happy. Don't be depressed. This storm is going to go away. There's nothing half beginning that doesn't have end. It's going to fade away. Okay, stay calm, enjoy. I hope this will keep you busy with this long holiday. But you know guys, we should always rejoice. God have a reason for everything. Okay guys, stay positive. Pray to God to forgive us and stay blessed. Take it easy, guys. Sleep a lot. Go for walk. Watch nice movie. Wash your hands. Social distance. Off with your elbow. Use tissue when you are coughing and stay blessed. Bye for now. Thank you. Bye.